Okay, this next problem deals a lot with the use of these two words that have been mentioned before. And means multiply, and or means add. And that's when it deals with probability. So Kara needs to pick a pair of matching socks from a drawer consisting of 4 black socks, 11 blue socks, 3 white socks, and 5 brown socks. Well, if you look at the fact that some of these are odd numbers, she's got kind of an issue when it comes to keeping up with socks. However, what's the probability that if she pulls out 2 random socks, they'll make a matching pair? Now, we didn't specify what color she wanted for a pair. So we're going to have to do all of the possibilities. So here goes. We want to get a black sock and another black sock, or we want to get a blue sock and another blue sock. Hope you see where I'm going with this, and the use of the words ands and ors and how that's going to really come in handy. Or we want to get white sock and a white sock, or we want to get brown and brown. Okay, it's going to get a little tricky here if we're not careful. So let's be careful. Okay, we want to get a black sock. There are 4 black socks out of a total of 23 socks. Now, I got that from adding together the total number of socks. We have 4 plus 11 plus 3 plus 5. So there are 23 socks. We want a black sock, and then we want another black sock. We didn't put that first black sock back, so now we have 3 out of 22. Or, hope you see the structure of the sentence and how it relates to what we're doing. We want a blue sock. Now, this is the possibility of getting those, but now we're starting all over. So there are 11 blue socks out of 23. We could have started with a blue sock and then get another blue sock. Or we could have started with a white sock and got another white sock. Or we could have started with a brown sock. You see where this is going. And then another brown sock. We'll type that in the calculator, and that's going to give us our answer. So let's do that really quickly. And then that. You may want to check behind me on this. Don't take my word for it. Okay. Got an answer. We're going to round this to 3 decimal places because we're about to turn it into a percent. So let's make this 0.292. All probability happens out of 1. There's a 0.292 out of 1 chance. So let's translate that into a percent. So that is a 29.2% chance of this happening.